friends, today we'll learn about is versus are. So, is comes with singular noun or pronouns, and are comes with plural nouns or pronouns. The first one is the news I got dash good. So the here word is news. So news is singular, though there is s, but it's a singular. So we'll write here is. Where dash the money? So money is a singular one. So where the money? Though under money comes a unit or your in new unit, but it's a singular one. So we'll write where is the money. The next one is his trousers dash all out. All out is a verb, and trousers. Here trouser is s. So trouser is plural. So we'll write here are. Mathematics my best subject. So mathematics here is singular, like the subject physics. Here s, but it is singular. Economics. So we use s, but it is singular. So mathematics is my best subject. Riches sought after by all. So rags riches is the main word. So here riches is plural. So we'll write here riches are sought after by all. Our furniture getting old. So when the word furniture comes, it means furniture, a chair or a whole dining room set. So furniture is a singular one. So our furniture is getting old. This pair of scissors are sharp. This pair comes here. Pair means a pair or one pair. So when we talk about a pair or one pair, it is singular. So this pair of scissors is sharp. Fish dash not cheap these days. So fish, when we talk about fish is singular, fish is plural, but it is not mentioned here as if they are talking about singular or plural. So we'll see it because fish not cheap these days little. So it is when it comes these days, the fish is here plural. Fish are not cheap these days. Maybe they are talking about ocean's fish, yeah, something. So will fish are not cheap these days. The newspapers dash cheap. Here news and papers. You see papers is a plural one. So newspapers are cheap. The sheep gazing in the field. Sheep is singular. Sheep is plural. But when they speak about gazing in the field, it means not a sheep. They are not talking about a sheep. They are talking about a unit or a group of sheep. So it comes the sheep are gazing in the field. So friends, if you like my channel, my videos, please subscribe my channel and get more updates about like these videos.